Okay, welcome back. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Got some updates for what I'm now calling Ibis. And we got our nice little logo here, fave icon, and quite a few updates. So let's just go ahead and. Hey, okay, cool. So let's just go ahead and set up the objective of this whole session. We're going to be making a sticky note program for now. So let's get started, and you just tell me what we're going to do.
I've created an initial setup for our sticky note program. You should now see a button to add new sticky notes. These notes can be moved around, edited, and deleted. Let's test and expand upon this.
Okay, just to test what you've made. What did I type in the first sticky note that I added? Okay, no comment. Sweet. So I can add new notes and I can delete the notes. That is pretty awesome. Nice. So okay, now let's switch our objective to be using this application. So like when I say things to you, I want you to interpret that as like you're gonna take a new note, or if I reference a note that you can already see, then and I say something like, I want to delete that note or I want to edit that note, then you can do that type of a thing with that note, right? You can like focus on the note and then edit the text of the note or whatever based off which note I'm talking about.
I've set up the application to interpret your commands for creating, editing, and deleting sticky notes. You can now give commands to manage the notes.
Okay, let's add a new note.
I have added a new sticky note to the page.
Okay, let's call this note dirty dishes.
The most recently added sticky note is now renamed to dirty dishes.
Actually, let's make that this sticky note is like a chores list, and let's add in dirty dishes, change the cat litter, clean the bathroom, mop the floor. Okay.
I've updated the most recently added sticky note to include a list of chores: dirty dishes, change the cat litter, clean the bathroom, and mop the floor.
Okay, let's add a new sticky note that's just about like stuff that I want to do with this new program that I'm actually using right now called Ibis. And let's like make a quick note, and we're gonna come back to this, but like let's just make it so that this new note says we need to fix VAD.
I have added a new sticky note with the message, "We need to fix the app."
Okay, so I'm going to stop hands-free mode real quick, just so that I can kind of explain, like, I've updated this so that, you know, it has directives or objectives, whatever you kind of want to call them. And it has much more ability to sort of like be aware of what it is that you're doing. Like, for instance, it knows about its own interface. So like start hands-free. Like, I'm just typing, right? I could actually click this button, but it kind of knows how to do that function.
Hands-free mode has been activated. How can I assist you?
Okay, that didn't actually fully work, but all right. Cool, man. So can you just download this? Can you download this app for me?
Your sticky notes application has been downloaded.
Okay, sweet. Let's go ahead and check it. Nice. I just checked the sticky notes downloaded app and it worked pretty cool. One thing it did miss, could you include proper, I think there's like not a good CSS on there or something like that. Oh, snap.
I've created a downloadable version of your sticky note application. Check your downloads folder for sticky notes app.html and open it to see your sticky notes.
All right, thank you very much. I'll let you know if I have any other questions. Can you just tell people about what we've done so far and like, you know, what this is really about? Oh, okay, you don't want to comment on that? That's fine. You know, in one of our first videos, you rickrolled me, and I still haven't forgiven you for that. Anyway, all right, guys. So enjoy using this. Enjoy these updates. I've added it to GitHub, and I am going to get some sleep.